Welcome, here I've got ASUS ROG Phone 5S and let me show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to left corner button so we can open camera settings, and now we can find watermark option, so let's pick it. Here we get access to 4 types of watermarks. We can add date, time, device name and custom one to our photo. By using buttons from the right we can turn them on and off as we need. As you can see, we can add just one of this, or 2, 3 or 4 at the same time. And when we turn on custom watermark, we can write here our own word, our own watermark as we need. So for example, let me pick hard reset and OK. And as you can see here, we get also access to short preview. From the left we have Republic of Gamers, so the device name ASUS watermark, and from the right we have the custom one, hard reset, with date and time. Let me keep turning on all of them now, and let's move also to camera to take a picture to see how they looks like at the real one. To see the photo, let's move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my photo with watermarks at the bottom. Here we can also get closer to them, and of course when we don't need them or need another composition with that, we have to move back to camera, left corner settings, tap to watermark and manage this as we need, or just turn them off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.